Jacob was like, it's the beginning of the year. You're really going to let Bond crush you like that again? The new product did 124K.
So this is 2 months?
Here's the other one. This is where I had the 28K day.
How much do you do in total now?
Like 350K, somewhere around there.
But yeah, bro, how are you, bro? Give me an update. What's been going on over the last couple of months?
The new product did 124K.
What time period did it do it in?
In November through December. November to December was the best months. I was having high conversion rates too.
So in like 2 months, 120K.
Yeah, probably around that.
How much do you do in total now?
Like 350K, somewhere around there. Like
in half a year?
Yeah, in around half a year.
Yeah. Any new things which happened over the last couple of months? Any new like challenges you faced or anything like that?
Having to make videos for products that's not like that I don't use personally is really hard. I don't use the product that made money. I don't use it. I don't do any of that. So it's hard. It's hard to come up with video ideas. It took me actually probably like 2 weeks to even start seeing slight success, like just like maybe $200, maybe like 2 weeks took me to start seeing some slight success, and then after that it took off.
With these types of products, what do you do? Like, where do you get the ideas from? Is it just purely copying, or what works the best for you?
It's a little bit of me coming up with them and then also copying. Like, I knew if I just copied my competitor, just like straight up copied it, like it wouldn't go viral because I wasn't doing anything different. So yeah, it's a little bit of both me making ideas and both copying.
What's the main struggle you face currently?
My main struggle is finding new products. Now I actually am doing actual product research, and I was going to be testing around 3 or 4 products right now, but one of the products I ordered, Bond bought the rights to it, so I can't test that one. And then the other one, Pepe was saying in the group call that we should stop running it. So, and then also it was like I ordered those at the beginning of December, but because it was like in the holidays, and I had to order it from my supplier. It took a really long time, and then there was delays. And then once it finally got here, then I can't even run them anymore. And I'm giving Jacob product research sheets, and then they're not that good. So
the first of all, the Bond thing is kind of crazy. He just crushed everybody with that one.
Yeah, I know. It was annoying.
This is what you want to aim for in the long run, right? Like you want to find something where nobody can copy you, and then you just crush. And that's most likely going to be the next step with you as well, like finding something where nobody can copy. But it's not that easy, actually. It's a pretty difficult process. But that's what it's about, right? Like if it would be easy, then everybody would be able to copy. So the point of advanced products is making it difficult so people cannot copy. Did you learn any new things over the last couple of months? Were there like big new realizations or anything new which happened?
All me, the reason why it was taking me so long to find another product. Like before, I was saying I'm scrolling for hours, but I really wasn't, thinking I was doing more than I actually was. And then I realized after looking at my like screen time, I wasn't really doing anything at all. And the beginning of this year, I actually was still not doing anything. But then Jacob was like, bro, Andy, it's the beginning of the year. You're really going to let Bond crush you like that again? And then I started like actually doing it.
So how does your day look now?
I do my videos for the day, and I don't end there. I do my videos for the day, and then I've been doing like 5 hours a day or 6 hours a day of product research.
First of all, get a VA. Get a VA ASAP.
Yeah. I just messaged to Moss about it.
Yeah, get that ASAP, because then those 6 hours you should be putting into something else. What happens now is that you feel productive because you do more, but in reality, it's also things which other people could do for you. And you do have the funds to actually get other people to do it for you. So the main task you should be having is obviously, like, besides selecting the product, etc., most likely just all the creator things as well. That is the level where you should definitely start. You already made like 350K. You should be outsourcing as much as possible.
I had a creator, but he was bad. And I have another one right now. She actually was going viral, but then the video got taken down.
For the videos themselves, what would you say, on average, does it take to actually start seeing consistent virality on videos? Like, how was it for you? Why did the things actually start going viral? Which components need to be in place to actually make it work?
Before I used to think it was like having the lights in the right way, the audio needs to be perfect. But one of the things is creating like the storyline of a video. Like I see a lot of videos, people go like, they start with a hook, then they go benefit 1, benefit 2, benefit 3. That's just boring. There's nothing there. So you have to make it smooth, I guess you could say. Like if you're making like an 11 labs long format, it can't be this product has this and this is why you should buy this, because that can go viral, but it's just a lot harder. And figuring out a way to make it so it's like smooth, I guess you could say, it makes it way easier to go viral, like a conversation, sort of.
Just that it feels native and that it doesn't feel salesy, but it more feels like an actual piece of content. In the end of the day, that's what you're competing against on TikTok. Your videos versus huge creators which are not even trying to sell. And it's obviously much more difficult to sell and go viral.
That's what I thought about when I was scrolling. I was like, I'm not being able to go viral. I was like, was I just lucky? And it was really getting into my head. I was like, dang, maybe I was just lucky. And then I realized, and I thought about that exactly, scrolling on my For You page, and then my video comes up. Why would that person stop for mine and not just scroll? Because I noticed for myself, sometimes I was scrolling, like half a second into the video, I would just scroll. And I thought to myself, why would somebody else stop for mine and scroll for another? So, and that's what made it.
Yeah, 100%. And you're definitely right about like it's more difficult if you have no clue about the niche itself. But generally, videos are videos. You know, like the niche and the ideas and those things are definitely important. In the end of the day, you can smell a good video. When you scroll, you don't even really know what it's going to be about. But the very first second, you already understand this might be entertaining. And that's all you need to get people to stop scrolling. We didn't even share a screen. Maybe you can quickly share your screen and we can go through the numbers as well.
The store. Refresh it.
Yeah, sure. So this is 2 months, basically November and December. Which is great. Maybe you can go through all the other stores as well.
Here's the other one. This is where I had the 28K day. The last time I couldn't show. You know, it's crazy. Actually, this store got taken down like when we did the last case study, but then 4 months later, probably relaunched it for whatever reason. I got an email. They were like, our investigation is over. We can reopen your store.
But now it's obviously not. It's dead, basically.
It's done 2K this month, but yeah, it's pretty dead.
So you have these two. So one 123, then one 150K. And then you had another 2 stores, right?
Yeah, I had the other one that got taken down. Oh, yeah, the WooCommerce.
I mean, how much is on there?
Maybe like 30K.
Did you start doing anything with the money? Did you start spending?
Not really. I mean, I bought a Bugatti scooter. But that's pretty much
Bro,
it.
That picture killed me.
I got a new phone. I guess that's like a business expense. I bought some games.
Are you still in school?
Actually, I was doing online school, but then I was just using ChatGPT because I was doing all this, and I got caught. So yeah.
Cheating in school?
Yeah, I got caught. I had a meeting with the principal, and it's just a whole long thing.
Yeah, so what happened?
Failed me the first semester, so now I gotta... That's the first time. I've never actually failed a class before. That's the first time I failed anything.
Are you 17 at this point?
No, I'm 17 in 3 months. And in California, you can't actually drop out until you're 17, so...
Do you want to drop out at 17?
Maybe.
Did you talk to your parents about it? What did they say?
Yeah, she says that this keeps going well, but at the same time, I kind of don't want to. At the same time, I kind of do. Not sure.
What's holding you back? Like, what speaks against it?
I don't know. I kind of want to go back to in-person school, just a little bit. There's to hang out with friends and stuff, but I'm still thinking about it.
For the social contact aspect of it, it might even make sense to stay in school. As a test, what I would do probably is I would go to I don't know, some classes, boxing classes, soccer, whatever you want to do. I would go there and see if it's actually easy to find new friends in other places. If it's just easy to keep up with having a regular social life, but also not being in school, and basically seeing if you can build something outside as well. And then you can actually take from there if it would be worth it to drop out, you know. But are you planning on buying anything specific?
Maybe after I get a license, like a car or something, but I haven't even done my permit stuff, so I don't know.
What do you mean permit stuff?
Like I haven't gotten my learner's permit or anything like that. Jacob told me, he was like, yeah, like it's gonna take a long time because you have to get it and then it takes 6 months or something.
Wait, the driver's license?
Yeah, I think after the permit it takes 6 months to be able to get
Really?
the license.
In Germany, you cannot even do it. Like you're only allowed to properly drive when you're 18.
Yeah, we can start driving at 16, but it's just a long thing. It'll take a long time to have to do all that. So I just haven't done it.
What's the main thing you would tell complete beginners? Like just a person just starting out, no fucking clue what he's doing.
The first amount of success is probably going to be the hardest. Everything that comes after, just like it's going to come. But the first amount of success is like, because you're seeing nothing, you haven't seen anything. But if you keep actually working on your videos and seeing how to make them better, and not just like making videos and then just making more and more and more videos and expecting them to get better without actually doing anything, like you're going to have success probably.
Keep doing the thing you need to do and then try to improve over and over again. And this is just the main part of the program where we just look over the things and tell you if it's good and if it's bad. And it's very difficult to do things by yourself when you're doing the thing and then you're not even sure if you're going in the right direction. Like you're posting a bunch of videos, just keep posting, nothing works. You don't know what it is. You don't know if it's the product, if it's the account, if it's some shadow ban, if it's the content, what is it? This is the main thing where we're generally doing with the program, where we just go through everything. How was it to just do everything by yourself versus with us together?
Yeah, when I was doing stuff by myself, it was a lot harder to know what I was doing right and wrong. It was 100% completely about me being accountable with myself instead of somebody else like helping. It was completely me. Getting improvements on the videos was probably the hardest. I don't think most people will be able to bro. I don't think most people will be able to critique their own videos in the same way that you guys are able to critique our videos. Criticism. I don't know. I keep forgetting the word I'm saying.
For people watching, if you're doing it by yourself, it just does not make sense. So if you are interested in getting guidance over basically us looking through everything you do, click the link below, sign up for a call, and we see how things go. Well, how was it to be in the advanced program as well with longer calls, etc.?
It's a lot of help to have longer calls, having the Discord to be able to talk to everybody. I like it a lot personally.
Good stuff.